got the second goal. Second goal. I wasn't expecting this to happen because I was not getting excited about this. कि पता नहीं क्या होएगा. We got the second goal. Oh my God, I'm just so happy today. पहले तो लिवरपूल जीता and then इंडिया जीत गया SAF चैंपियनशिप फाइनल्स 8th कप हमारा. विद द वे वी स्टार्टेड द SAF चैंपियनशिप आई डिड नॉट रियली एक्सपेक्ट दैट वी वुड एंड अप हियर. आई थॉट ठीक है यार, मे बी धक्का धुक्का लगा के फाइनल्स तक पहुंच जाएंगे, बट विनिंग दिस चैंपियनशिप लास्ट के 3 मैचेस में क्या कमबैक करा है इंडिया ने. आई एम सीरियसली इम्प्रेस्ड. एंड सुनील छेत्री डज दैट एवरी टाइम. हर 45 मिनट्स वो स्टार्टिंग के गेम्स में ना ही लाइक मिस 1 or 2 ऐसे चांसेस दैट वी थिंक दैट ही कैन इजीली कन्वर्ट, एंड ओ माय गॉड ही शुड हैव कन्वर्टेड. हमारा कन्वर्टिंग रेट, हमारा गोल स्कोरिंग एबिलिटी इतना कम हो रखा है इंडिया का. दैट्स व्हाट वी वर थिंकिंग व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड विद द SAF चैंपियनशिप. बट देन क्या सेकेंड हाफ शुरू किया इस बार. बाय द वे इतना ऑन फील्ड कंडीशंस इतने खराब थे, तो फर्स्ट हाफ में तो हम जज भी नहीं कर सकते कि कौन सा प्लेयर या कौन सा टीम बेटर खेल रहा था. इट वाज जस्ट वेरी एंड टू एंड मैच. बोथ वर लूजिंग पोजेशन, बोथ वर क्रिएटिंग चांसेस, बोथ वर ट्राइंग टू गेट अ गोल. बट even though I felt that India was a bit better even in the first half, but second half में तो क्या solid performance दिया and कितने intensity से शुरू किया match. I think that made all the difference. And then having 2 goal lead, come on, that is the cushion in a match like this, and a team that is India, that is so experienced in this championship. I think it had to be it that that 2 goal cushion definitely changed the entire game. Now the best thing is that we got it at 49th and 50th minute, so we had the entire match. We could control the rest of that 45 minutes of the game the way we wanted. So we set the pace and momentum of the game, and which is why I felt that Nepal could not really keep up with that. But I feel that Nepal should be proud with the kind of championship, with kind of tournament that they have had. I think it's incredible. This is the first time that they have been in the finals of SAF championship. It's okay. इस बार यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं, अगली बार I'm sure that they can do better than this and maybe win it. You never know what can happen next. But Nepal was one of the team that everybody was scared of with the way they started the tournament. But वही है, consistency is the key, and I'm happy that India found their footing at the right time. They started clicking at the right time. They started finding the back of the net at the right time. I think that made all the difference for us. By the way, the first match that we had with Nepal in this tournament, like I said, they were being so damn dominant in the entire tournament. But in that game, they started playing that park the bus sort of a game and did not really create chances and just wanted to maybe get a draw or defend the entire match. And that's what I think that cost Nepal a lot in that match. But today it seemed like they wanted to win it. They also were trying. They were also playing in that attacking mode. I think that's quite good. No matter, India is the better team of the lot, but I feel that is also because of the FIFA ranking that we have, and also the kind of resources that are provided to Team India. Now, I'll not say that it's incredibly good, but it is better than the countries that are there in the SAF championship. So obviously we should be winning competitions like this, and that's why I was saying that we can focus on bigger competitions. Hey, how did you like that third goal by Sahal? I think that was a brilliant effort. अच्छे से dribble करके अंदर जाके he took the shot and converted it. It's brilliant. We know how good Sunil Chhetri is, then Suresh Singh is, Manveer Singh, also Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, हमारा defense, Rahul Bheke, then Chinglesna Singh, सब बहुत अच्छे players and they have a lot of experience playing for India. I think one player that has been outstanding in this entire tournament for India, other than Sunil Chhetri, is Laling Mavia. No doubt. How good is that player? And I'm so excited that we got such a young talent like him in our squad. I can see him growing. I can see how important he can be for our team, for our country in the newer games, in the future games that are going to be held. And I'm just so excited to see him in the future prospects, and whatever he's going to do, I'm definitely going to follow him in whatever league he's going to play in, because come on, that guy is incredibly good and has shown such good quality in this tournament. So I'm quite happy that we got somebody like him. And rest, I'm just so happy that we have won this. जिस तरह ये start किया था competition and जिस तरह end हुआ है, बहुत difference है यार, बहुत difference. And I'm just so happy that this has happened under Agost Image. We have finally won this SAF championship, and now we can focus on those bigger events that we were talking about that we should be participating in. And I think winning this competition is going to give boost to our senior team. It's going to give them confidence and experience of playing with each other, and I'm sure that we can do a lot better in other competitions that are going to be. and I'm just excited about it. I'm just so happy. It's been a good day that Liverpool भी इतना अच्छा खेला and आज India also won. It's a good day. It's a very, very good day. I think that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video from me. And that's it. Namaste.